Okay, guys, let's get started. So in today's session, we are going to prepare our lab. Each one of you will have to follow the same step what we are doing on Vinod's computer. So if you have any difficulty to watch and do the same thing at the same time, you can join from one more device, like on mobile. You can watch it on mobile and perform the task on computer. If you have two monitors, then well and good. Now, point number one. So we have already downloaded the ISO file and Oracle VirtualBox. In the last session, I had given you the links. If you have not downloaded, you need to download those setup files. Now, point number one is install. 1 minute. Install Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, but before I install Oracle VirtualBox, let's take a look on the computer side, whether this computer is eligible to uh, build a new virtual machine or not. So whether this machine is having minimum configuration or not. So I'm gonna check the system configuration, system information. So down at the bottom, we have search box. In the search box, we will search system information. Okay. Now this machine is Windows 10 Pro. That is good. Then processor 4 logical processor. Okay, that's okay. Actually, we wanted to have a 4-core processor, but it has a 2-core processor, but that is okay. Now, RAM 16 gigabyte. So installed physical memory 16 gigabyte. So this is also okay, the physical memory and the processor. Now let's take a look on the hard disk side. So in order to check the hard disk, we need to click on this Explorer. Okay, and this PC at the left hand side. So C drive, and it has 246 gigabyte free. So this is also okay. We need how much? Minimum 100 gigabyte. So this is also sufficient. Now one more thing we can check whether this hard disk is the SSD hard disk or the old spinning disk, because the new one, the SSD runs very fast if you compare with the old one. Old one, runs a little slow. So we can take a look on the hard disk side. How will you check? Right click on start and then run. Now in run, you need to type in what? DFRGUI. Okay, DFRGUI and click OK. When you do that, it's gonna show you whether this drive is hard disk or the solid state drive, SSD. This is SSD. So this is also well and good. Okay. Um, so if it is old hard disk, then it will come as hard disk. Okay. So this computer is eligible enough to, the only thing is the processor is less, but that's okay. We can go with that processor. So this computer is eligible to set up our Intune lab. So let me close this. Okay, now install Oracle VirtualBox. That's the first thing we have to do. Okay, so we downloaded Oracle VirtualBox and ISO image file. So when we go to the download folder, you will see that it is downloaded. This is the one, Oracle VirtualBox. And where have you downloaded ISO file? I think it's on a different location.
It's in C drive.
Okay, it's in C drive somewhere. Okay, fine. So first of all, let's install Oracle VirtualBox. This is the application which we have to install to build a new machine. It's a free tool. If you can use Hyper-V as well. You can use VMware as well. That's all up to you. Any technology, any virtualization technology, VMware, Hyper-V, or Oracle VirtualBox. Why I am using Oracle VirtualBox? Because this is free of cost. We don't have to pay anything. VMware you have to pay. Hyper-V is also free, but for Hyper-V, you will have to enable that and restart the machine. So Rather, we will choose this one, VirtualBox.
Kashif,
So
one minor
let's,
question here. VMware Workstation Pro since 17 is officially now free of charge, but only for retail use. That is a recent development by Broadcom.
okay, from when? 2017.
Yeah, version 17 plus. It
Okay.
used to be paid till 16, so this is the latest from Broadcom. It just happened, I think, 2, 3 weeks ago, or maybe a
Yeah,
month
I
ago.
think Broadcom has purchased VMware.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
So just wanted to set that for your future
Okay.
reference.
Okay, good, good. So when this update came
Uh,
few weeks back?
yeah. This is a recent one. I was actually
Okay.
trying to license it is when I found it, but only for retail. If you are using it for a commercial use, like in a company, it is
Hmm.
still supposed to be paid.
Okay,
So
good.
students will always be retail use, so they'll be okay. Should they want
Right,
to use
right. Okay, so anything. VMware is in, it's also free. So VMware, Hyper-V, and Oracle VirtualBox, all of them are free now. So now let's go with Oracle VirtualBox. I'm going to double click on this, and then it is going to ask you to click on yes uh, for your consent, and then you will have to install this application. So we know that you're getting any pop-up to click.
Yes.
And also, you are doing it on your personal computer, not office computer, guys. Anyone using office computer here? Wait, don't close it.
I am, but it's not connected to the network or anything.
But are you allowed to build a new machine on VMware or Hyper-V or Oracle VirtualBox?
Yeah, because of test labs and a lot of automation kind of things in SCCM. I do this a lot.
Okay. If you are allowed, then continue. Okay. Yeah. I don't know the security policies in your organization. So I would suggest if you have a personal computer, you do it on your personal rather than office computer. Okay. Because we have to install this in Oracle VirtualBox and build a new machine. So most of the organizations will not allow you to do this. Okay, so this actually needs one prerequisite. Okay, let's click on finish, Vinod. Now we have to install one prerequisite. Okay, that is Visual C++. Let's click on OK, Vinod. So if it is giving you that pop-up, then only you have to install that one. Otherwise, if the prerequisite is already installed on your computer, you don't have to install Visual C++. You can continue the installation. Okay. So in Vinod's computer, this is missing, Visual C++. So let's open a new browser and go to google.com here. So it's only for those who are getting that prerequisite issues. Okay. Now here we have to download Visual C++ redistributable for redistributable. Okay, 2019. So download Visual C++ redistributable 2019. We'll download the latest version. Okay, and then we will choose the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable download. Now in this page, we have various versions like 2015, 17, 19, and 2022. So I'm going to click on the latest one, which is Visuals 2015, 17, 19, and 22. Okay, so when you have clicked on that link, little bit down, you will see the links to download and install. So I'll go with the 64-bit. Okay, this one, 64-bit installer. Okay, so let's click on the 64-bit and it got downloaded right on the top. You see one download in progress. Okay, so it got downloaded. We need to just install this application. So I'm going to click on that. Now check the box. I agree to the license terms and condition and then choose install. You need to click on yes.
Shipway, this is a default application, right? With Windows, normally it comes with a default application.
Sometimes, yeah, but if it is not installed already, you need to install it separately. Okay. Click on close. Okay, so the prerequisite is done. So what we have done is the first thing before we install this Oracle VirtualBox, we have done what? Install Visual C++, Visual, sorry, Visual C++ 2019, which is prerequisite for Oracle VirtualBox, but it's not for everyone. Okay, it's not for everyone. If it is already installed in your computer, if you are not getting that pop-up while installing Oracle VirtualBox, you can skip this one. Point number 2, install Oracle VirtualBox. So let's go ahead to the download folder and install this Oracle VirtualBox. So double click on Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so now it is not giving any pop-up, the prerequisite error, right? Let's accept the license terms and condition, next, and then next, yes, and just keep going next, install. So this is basically going to install Oracle VirtualBox, and that will help you to build new machines, new virtual machine. Why we need virtual machine? Because that machine will be enrolled into Intune. We don't want to enroll your laptop into Intune because we will be sending some applications, some policies. We will be wiping out of the computer. We'll reset the computer. So it's better to use a new machine, virtual machine, wherein we can do all these things rather than enrolling the laptop itself. Okay, so they have changed the icon as well, Oracle VirtualBox. Click on Oracle VirtualBox icon down at the bottom. Oh, you already have Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, fine. Let's close this Oracle VirtualBox. Close. Fine. Close this one as well. Close this too. Okay, so we have installed Oracle VirtualBox. Now the Oracle VirtualBox icon, you will see it on the desktop. Okay, this is the new icon. The old icon is different actually. Fine. So this one will be there on your desktop. So next time onwards, if you have to launch Oracle VirtualBox, you can launch it from here, or you can right click and pin it to the taskbar, pin to taskbar, so that you next time onwards, you can open it from here as well. Okay. So let's click on this link. I mean this shortcut icon. Now, so what do we have to do? We need to build a new Windows 10 machine because we downloaded Windows 10 ISO image file. Okay. So let's create a new Windows 10 virtual machine. So in order to do that, we need to click on new on the top. And in here, we have name. What name would you like to keep for the new machine? So you can go choose any name of your choice, but I will suggest you to go with WIN VM 001. This is our first virtual machine. So WIN is what? Windows. VM means virtual machine 001. This is our first virtual machine. So I'm choosing a naming convention like this. In production, you will have naming convention like suppose the machines are in London. So it will have LONW. W means Windows. Then LP, laptop, or DP, desktop. Okay. So they will follow some naming convention. Similarly, we are following naming convention here. Now, where will you save this machine? Either in the same location, or you can create a new location. So it depends on your drives. If your C drive has ample amount of space, you can go with this location. If your C drive does not have ample amount of space, then you choose D drive or E drive. I don't know. You will have to check. Okay. C drive, since Vinod has somewhere around 240 gigabyte free space. So we'll leave that as it is. Then the ISO image file. We can add ISO, but we will not add ISO right now. We will add ISO later on. So we'll leave that as it is, the ISO. Then it is Windows, Microsoft Windows. By default it is coming. If it is coming Linux or Mac, you change it. Then version Windows 10, 64-bit. So rest everything is default. Now, then you have unattended install. Let's expand that one. So it's giving you this password and all. I'll leave that as it is. We will not make any, we can't make any changes as well. Let's go to the hardware. So now this is important, guys. How much processor and memory you would like to give it to this machine? So this machine has 16 gigabyte of free, 16 gigabyte of RAM. So we will give 4 gigabyte. Okay. How much? 4 gigabyte. So 4097. Actually 4096 is 4 gigabyte, but we are giving 1 MB more than 4 gigabyte. Okay, 4097. Now processor, how many processors you can give it to this machine? Maximum 4 processor. But I cannot go more than 2, because you see red line. We have red line here. So I'm gonna use only 2 processor. So go with 2 processor, everyone. Not more than 2. 2 is okay. Then we have hard disk. So let's give how much? 80 gigabyte. 80 gigabyte free. I mean the hard disk space we are going to choose for this machine. Okay. Now everything will remain as it is. Default. I'm going to click on finish. Okay. So new machine is now created at the left hand side, and that is WINVM001. I hope everybody has created that one simultaneously. If not, then you will have to watch the recording and do it. But I would suggest you do it side by side, guys. Now, this is a new machine. We have to now go to the setting. Let's go to the setting option. Okay, so here we have some of the things which we have to modify, like name is okay. Processor is okay. We have given 2 processor. Yes, that's okay. Acceleration is okay. We don't need anything here. We haven't made any changes here. Now, in this one, in the system, you see, we have system. Let me go to the system at the left hand side. Yeah, system. Now in system, we need to make sure we change this one, TPM, which is none right now. So I'm going to change that to version 2.0. Why I'm changing it? Because that TPM is for BitLocker. BitLocker is a technology to encrypt hard disk. We will encrypt the hard disk of this machine. Okay, so that is the reason we are using this one. If you don't choose this, then you will not be able to encrypt the hard disk of the computer. So I'm using this version 2.0. Also, this will help you to upgrade this machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So right now we are installing Windows 10, but in future we will upgrade this machine to Windows 11. So we need version 2.0. Then we also need little bit down, we have this option called enable EFI. We have to enable this one. Okay. And then we need to choose this enable secure boot. Okay. So what all changes we have done? TPM version 2.0, enable EFI, and enable secure boot. Okay. If secure boot is not there, then BitLocker will not work. Okay. So these three changes you have to make here. Then let's go to display. Display is okay. We have to leave everything as it is. Let's go to the network. Network is also okay. We don't have to make any changes in the network. Rest everything is okay, guys. We don't have to make any changes. So we went to the system only and we changed three things here. Okay, TPM, then enable EFI and enable secure boot. And that's it. And let's click on OK. Okay, so we made the changes, right? Now we have to click on the three dots, as you see three dots here, and then choose details. Okay, we have details here. Now, when you come to the details, you have a section called storage. Inside storage, we have SATA port 1. There are two ports. First one, hard disk is connected. On second port, we have to connect the ISO image file, the one which we have downloaded. Okay. Madhvi, is that downloaded?
Yes, Kashif, it downloaded.
Okay, good. Now, so we have to click on this empty, the one which says empty, and then choose a disk file. Choose a disk file. Now we need to choose the disk file where the one which we have downloaded. So where it is in C drive, you said, right? C drive, and then is this the one? Vinod? Vinod? Can't hear you. I think you are on mute. You will have to unmute yourself. Okay, I think this is the one. I don't hear anything from your side, Vinod. So I'm gonna click on open. Okay, so we have chosen what? ISO image file. Now everything is done as per the setting. Now let's click on this start on the top. We need to click on start. Okay. When you start, a new window will come. You have to be quick now. Okay, new window will come. You just have to press the mouse inside. I'll show you when you have to press. Now you need to press mouse inside. Sorry, not now. You know, the moment will, if, yeah. Now you need to press mouse inside and press any key. Okay, so now it was gonna start the machine. Okay, so by default it is using language and all. I'll leave everything as default and then next. Then install now. We are going to make our new Windows 10 virtual machine. Okay, so in order to build a new machine, it needs license. Okay, so we haven't purchased any license from Microsoft. So we'll choose I do not have a product key. Okay, so we don't have any product key. So let's go with that one. Then there are various options like Windows Home, Education, Pro. So we'll choose this one, Windows 10 Pro. Make sure you choose the Pro version. Okay, Windows 10 Pro. So in organization, we have generally people are using Windows 10 Enterprise. Okay, users will be using Windows 10 Enterprise, but here I'm choosing Windows 10 Pro. Okay, we will upgrade this machine from Pro to Enterprise later on. Next. Then you need to accept the license terms and condition, right? And then next. Now there are two options, upgrade or custom. We are not upgrading here. We are installing it for the first time, right? So let's choose the second option, which says custom. Okay. Now we have this hard disk, right? 80 gigabyte free space is there. So we'll leave that as it is and let's click on next. Now the moment you do that, what will happen? It will start setting up your virtual machine. Anyone facing any challenges, issues, let me know. Okay, guys, so this is how we build a new virtual machine. So this is gonna take some time to set up the new virtual machine. Now, in the meantime, we will do something else. So install Oracle VirtualBox. This is done. And then point number 3 is build a new Windows 10 Pro virtual machine. Okay, so that is going to take some time to finish it off. Now, point number 4 is you need to create your Intune subscription. So create your Intune free trial subscription. Okay, for 30 days. So create your Intune free trial subscription 30 days. So you need to have a phone number, email address, and a credit card. These 3 things are required. And also in India, you also need to have PAN card. So the 4 things are required in India. Okay, to create your Intune subscription. Now, that is for free, 30 days free, and we will extend that one for another 30 days later on. Once the subscription is expired, then we will extend it for another 30 days later on. So create your Intune free trial subscription. So in order to do that, we have to open a browser, everyone. you need to open a browser and you need to type in what? Intune free trial. Intune free trial. Okay. And then you need to click on try Microsoft Intune for free. Try Microsoft Intune for free. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page, and then you can click on this sign up for Microsoft Intune free trial. Okay, sign up for a Microsoft Intune free trial. Okay, when you click on that, you need to go little down, and you see it says navigate to Intune setup account page. So we need to click on this one, Intune setup account page. Now on this portal, okay, so it's asking you to enter your email address. Now wait, if anyone has already created your Intune account before, if you have already created your account in the past, right? So those who have already created your Intune account, then you will have to use new phone mobile number, new mobile number. You can't use the same mobile number. Otherwise, it will not give you free trial again. Use new email address. Okay? Use new email ID. You can't use the same email ID which you used before. Use new credit card. You can't use the same credit card which you have used before. Okay? And the last thing is use new PAN number. Okay? So you can try creating account on your wife's name or on your brother's name, you know, anyone in your family member. You can't use the same PAN number which you have already used before. Also the last one, sorry, the use either new device. Suppose you have created your Intune account on the same laptop. So try creating it on mobile and on either use either new device or use it on different network. If it's the same device, then change the network of your device. The instead of Wi-Fi, you change it to hotspot, mobile hotspot, because it captures your public IP address. If the same, if you have already created and same public IP, then it is gonna it will not allow you to create new account. It will say your account already exists. I mean, you are not eligible for new account again. It's only for 30 days. So make sure you, though this is for those users who have already created Intune account, not for the new member. Okay. So use new mobile number, new email address, new credit card, new PAN number, and either do it on the new device. Make sure you, if you are doing it on mobile, use mobile internet rather than Wi-Fi. Or if you are doing it on the same computer, then do it on mobile hotspot rather than the Wi-Fi network, because it catches the public IP. Okay, anyone faces any challenges, let me know. So now create a new Intune free trial account. Vinod, have you already created Intune account? Write yes or no here. On the same device or different device? Same. Okay. Is that device, is that Intune subscription expired? Okay. So do what? Do you have new credit card which you have not used before? Okay. So try with debit card then. I think it accepts some of the debit cards as well, but not all debit cards. Okay. Now do one thing. Um, change the network connection. Instead of Wi-Fi, change it to mobile hotspot. Vinod? Guys, this is only for those who have already created Intune account, not for new members. Is the network changed or not yet? Vinod, are you there? Looks like he's disconnected. Okay, is the Windows 10 installation going on for everyone or anyone facing any challenges?
My machine is now at, how would you like to set up? So I'm not moving anything. I just let it sit there.
Okay.
Yeah, it came to the language US and basic. So
Okay, let's share your screen. Share your screen.
go ahead and share the screen here. Let me know when you have visual.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So after the building process is done, then you will get, this kind of window. The first you have to choose the language, right? I think you have chosen language already. This is
That
the
is,
second screen.
yeah, that is correct. It was language and the keyboard layout.
Okay, so
Well,
you will get language. So choose English United States or English India, depends on your location, guys, and the keyboard layout. So by default, it uses English. So go with English, and it will ask you to choose another, extra language like any other language if you want. So you can skip that one. So you have to choose what language and the region, right?
Correct.
Then you have this. How would you like to set up? There are two options: set up personal use or set up for organization. We are setting up for organization, not personal use, because for personal use we already have a laptop. So this is for the organization. This is going to be the brand new computer which will be given to our employees, right? So let's choose the second option, set up for an organization use. Everyone, you have to choose this if you are getting, otherwise you will have to do it, later on when you will get this option. Okay, next.
Well, let's hope it doesn't blue screen.
No. Okay, now here it is giving you this option, sign in with Microsoft account, but don't sign in. You don't have to sign in here. I will let you know what you have to do later on. Now on this screen, we have to take a snapshot. Okay, so a snapshot is what? Snapshot is for your like a backup. So in case something goes wrong, we can come back to this stage anytime. Okay, I think you haven't shared the whole screen.
Oh, let me do that. Let me do that. I'll
Yeah.
share you the whole screen. There you go.
Okay, so here we have sign in with Microsoft. So once you reach to this page, everyone, once you reach to this page, you need to take a snapshot. Okay, so how will you take snapshot? You need to go to Oracle VirtualBox, and then, oh, you have already taken snapshot or what?
Yeah, I was just while it was rebooting because otherwise sometimes it runs into a problem, but it's not
Okay,
saved to anything else.
okay, no worries. So you need to click on three dots. Let's click on three dots and then choose a snapshot. Okay, click on snapshot. Now, once you come to this page, you have to click on take on the top. Take. And here you need to type in blank machine. Okay, blank machine. And then click on OK. So it is showing the progress at the right hand side. Within few seconds, the snapshot will be ready. We know that you came back.
Yes.
Share your screen. Vinod. Was your device restarted or what?
No. Disconnected.
Wi-Fi was not picking up.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Shif, I have a question. Vinod was like switching the Wi-Fi or internet connection, right? Will it not interrupt the imaging process that you kicked off?
No. Because we are installing locally, we are not downloading anything.
Oh, okay.
Vinod,
Yeah.
share your screen. Vinod. Armstrong, are you on the same page?
Yes, I'm just wrapping up with my Intune account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zamir, what is your status? Zamir?
Yeah.
Are you on the same page?
No, my system bit slow. I already downloaded that.
Uh, it's installing Windows 10 or no?
Yeah, it's installing, but a bit slow.
Okay. Yeah, you are using 4 GB RAM, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Vinod, you share your screen?
I tried to share my screen, but it shows there.
It's not sharing?
Yes.
Okay. Do one thing, Vinod. Open the notepad on your computer, the one which we are using. What is the last point we have written on that notepad?
Yeah. Use either new device or use it on different network.
No, that the serial wise number up.
4. Create your Intune free trial subscription for 30 days.
Okay. That we could not do. So delete that point. The point number 4 will be
Okay.
set up, take a snapshot of the machine when it is on sign in page. So delete that point and type in take a snapshot of the machine when it is on sign in page. So guys, you have to take a snapshot when the machine is on sign in page, everyone. Okay.
Yeah.
Now copy that, the notes, and send it in the WhatsApp group so that everyone will know what we have done in today's session. Okay, Vinod?
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay, send it in the WhatsApp group. So we'll stop right here, guys. We'll do the Intune subscription tomorrow. Okay. And Vinod, when you join tomorrow, you join from hotspot directly instead of
Yeah,
Wi-Fi.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, guys, any question before we wrap it up?
Kasif, one quick question. So I'm using another laptop. So for me, I don't think so. I cannot take a snapshot. In case if something goes wrong, I can quickly re-image it again, right?
Oh, you are using another laptop. Okay, you can
Yeah.
take snapshot there as well. You
Okay.
have
At the login
option.
screen,
What screen you are at right now?
sign in with the Microsoft work or school account. That page.
Oh,
Since I'm not
okay.
using any box or something, right? It's like
Okay.
OOB
Okay.
interface.
Okay. Yeah, that's okay. You can leave it as it is.
Yeah.
You do not need to take snapshot. But when you log into the machine, after that, I'll let you know how to take snapshot. You know, the create system restore option.
Oh, got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
One question for you. I'll share the screen back.
Mm.
And we took the snapshot, which is right here.
Mm.
What's the right way to shut down this machine? Just close it, or is there another better method?
In order to shut down the machine, you can power off, click on file and close. Power off.
Oh,
Click
okay.
OK.
Okay, good. That's it. That's all I wanted to check, just to
Yeah.
make sure.
Okay, so you can power off. Now, those who are still building the machine, right? You need to come to the sign in page first and take snapshot. Everyone.
Yeah. Kashif. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long it will take to get the videos, the recorded one? Because my is still processing. So I need to follow that.
I will share the video in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah.
You need to send me your Gmail ID, everyone. Those who have not sent, I have received email from, let me see, email ID. I've received email ID from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people.
Kashif, I'm sending mine.
Darshan,
I'm not sure if I sent it to you.
Darshan, Vinod, Guru, Sayyid Yusuf, Armstrong, and Inda Mari. Inda Mari, clear@gmail.com. Okay. So you will be able to access videos using that email account. Okay. So make sure you send me your email address, guys. The one which you use on daily basis. Gmail. Not I don't need a Yahoo email or Outlook. I need Gmail account. Everyone.
So Kashif, is that video different from what you're recording here?
No, same. The
Same,
same
right? Okay.
video will be shared with you. Okay.
Kasif, the one that you shared in the that WhatsApp app, is that the same video that is recorded here, or is it that different
Same
videos?
video.
Same video. Okay.
Same video.
Okay.
So once you stop the recording, it should show up in the Teams chat, right, Kashif?
No. I'll say share the recording.
Oh,
Link.
okay.
You'll get a different link. Video will be same, but will be uploaded and I'll share the link with you.
Okay, then I have
Okay.
shared on WhatsApp my email ID.
Okay.
So you're gonna share in both WhatsApp and in
Yes.
our email, Gmail email?
Yes.
Okay.
You will get it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Nice email address. Madhvi.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
I also provided mine to Kasif, like musiclearner83@gmail.com.
Armstrong, you have already sent it to me. Yeah, I have it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.